Animals were hurt in this, but it was not easy to take apart.
So the winter's not quite done with us on this last winter weekend, and my clicker doesn't want to advance anything. Magic. Is it the leprechaun? I think it is. They're being mischievous. All right, let me try this clicker and see if the leprechaun didn't get that one. Here's your exclusive AccuWeather. Now I'm double-fisted in a different way. For St. Patrick's Day, mild with a shower and 62 for your high. Tomorrow, breezy, mostly sunny skies and 54. Sunday, that's the day wind chills near that freezing mark. 43 for your high, but when you're waking up at 7 a.m., I'm on the air Sunday. Tune in so I'm not alone. Wind chills just in the teens. Monday, a nice start to spring, a high of 53. Upper 50s on Tuesday, looking good, 59. Wednesday, mild, some sunshine, 60. Thursday, partly sunny skies and 57. And to another woman who likes to be double-fisted in a different way, I think, Jess.
She means beer. She means beer. Guys, she means beer. Don't put me on YouTube. My God.
Sharing the sound of a black hole, and it's kind of creating a buzz on social media.
Apparently so. Take a listen. Definitely sounds like there's some ghosts in there.
Well, I want to know who is making that sound. Or what?
The ghosts.
You're right. And the goblins.
The ghosts and goblins. The haunted house. That's what it sounds like. NASA shared the noise from a galaxy cluster, which is about 240 million light years away from Earth. So no worries. It'll take them a long time to get here.
To get us.
Scientists say that the black hole sends out pressure waves that cause ripples in hot gas, which can be translated into these notes, these tones and sounds.
So gas can make sounds.
Yep, sometimes. That is true.
Hey, look outside across Southwest Florida, and everywhere that you look, absolutely. I'm sorry. There are baby goats right now in the studio, and I am not going to be able to do this. All right, we're going to try our hardest, you guys. Blue skies across Southwest Florida right now. Temperatures, we are ranging in the upper 80s right now. That one was Greg. Upper 80s right now, and lots of sunshine. Some 90s on the board right now as well. Already feeling like...
Oh great, the frat boys showed up. Why are they looking at me? You need something, bro? That's how they talk in frat language. They say bro. It's rad, Brad. It's probably his name. His name's probably Brad. Oh my God, could the wind just give up? I'm sorry, Lord. Oh, okay, stare at me, that helps. Could you just stop with the wind, Lord? I feel like he's just, stop. You know he's just standing up there going, you didn't go to church on Easter. Oh good, Chad showed up. God, I need to get better at liking people. Oh, I'm sorry, I took your name in vain. Lord, help me. Ready? We'll just do that. The wind doesn't want to cooperate, we'll just do that. That's fine. You like that? I don't. 3, 2, 1, I quit.
Conditions were so treacherous in Christchurch this morning that even those taking to the streets were finding it slippery.
At some point, the officers apparently opened fire, one of them striking lichens. No officers were injured. The Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation is handling the case.
Vários carros de som, tinham músicas altas, os de cima dos carros de som, os manifestantes.
To get you informed on rabies vaccination clinics. Hello, Violet.
There goes Violet. Ready, here we